To check if our Motorola Edge 50 Neo supports 2 SIM cards, we'll need to open the SIM slot on the bottom of our device. And right here we have only one SIM slot. But if you want to insert the second one, you can do it with the eSIM. And to set up your eSIM card, you will need to, just give me a second, I need to enter the password for my SIM card again now. To set up your eSIM card, you will need to open settings. Then right here on the top, you should be able to find the network and internet. Then there's SIMs and mobile network. And now we can download new SIM card, which is the eSIM that you can set up right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.